our county IDA. We have a very business-friendly county executive who's worked very hard to induce companies like PepsiCo and others, but also I've been very pleased at the attention that they've given to small businesses to grow. One business that I'm involved with is a business called Tommy Copper. This business has grown in Mount Kisco. They just took new space in Mount Kisco, right across from Eduardo's, and they
Only Al Samuels would do this.
go up.
This is Tommy Copper. I wear them on both knees. It's an incredible product. It's the company is right here in northern Westchester. Marcia introduced me to them. They're a lifesaver. This is copper fabric. It's not just for knees. They have it for all parts of the body. It's an incredible company with an incredible vision, and it's a company that needs to be known.
Here's an example of a company, a Westchester-grown company, that's gone in 2 years from $0 to $24 million. They're employing 41 people in Mount Kisco. The growth in Ridge Hill is incredible, driving a lot of the retail sector, the changes at the Cross County Mall, the growth in biotech, certainly Regeneron, Accorda, with whom I'm meeting right after this, a company in Yonkers, an amazing company, Contrafect, that moved into the iPark down there, Joe Cotter's Contrafect. The owner there was one of the inventors of the HIV cocktail, so he kind of invented that whole cocktail idea. So there's real support in Westchester County for the growth and the nurturing of business, and the county's focus on Westchester's intellectual capital, I think, has been a very strong one, started by Larry Gottlieb, who's now, as you all know, going to run Hudson Valley Economic Development Corporation.